Did you have a meltdown with the recent social media outage? Were you panic-stricken, restless, or anxious when the recent massive social media outage left platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger inaccessible for hours? You were not alone. Today, we'll uncover red flags that signal potential social media dependency. Hello again and welcome back to my channel, Dr. Hanz MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health. Today's topic couldn't be more relevant. After the events earlier today, while hacking was a valid threat, and for many, this was indeed the primary concern. For others, the fretfulness stemmed from something else entirely. Many admitted to feelings of restlessness and even a sense of isolation during the downtime, which sparked an interesting question. Are we becoming overly reliant on social media platforms? According to a 2023 survey, the average American reports spending 2.5 hours on social media per day. And according to the California State University, an estimated 10% of the US population, around 33.19 million Americans, may be at risk for social media addiction. While social media can be a wonderful tool for connection, entertainment, and information, excessive use can negatively impact our well-being. So what exactly is social media dependence? It's a consistent pattern of behavior where individuals struggle to regulate their use of social media despite being aware of the negative consequences. This can manifest as feelings of anxiety or restlessness when not using social media. Excessive hours spent scrolling through feeds can lead to disruptive sleep patterns, affecting overall health and productivity. When screens replace face-to-face interaction, relationships suffer, and surprisingly, even regular personal hygiene can be neglected. Now let's look into some telltale signs that indicate potential social media dependency. Number 5, you check social media first thing in the morning and last thing before bed. This sets the tone for your day and even disrupts your quality of sleep. Number 4, you constantly need to refresh your feeds, even if you just checked seconds ago. The fear of missing out, or what we call FOMO, drives this behavior. Number 3, social media use negatively impacts your social relationships. You skip spending time with loved ones in favor of scrolling, or disagreements arise due to excessive phone use. Number 2, you experience withdrawal symptoms like anxiety or irritability when you try to limit social media. There's a feeling of considerable relief once access to social media is restored. And number 1, you lie about your social media usage, or you sometimes feel ashamed of the amount of use that you have. This definitely highlights a growing awareness of the negative impact of social media use. If some of these signs resonate with you, help is available. Here are some steps that you can take to avoid social media dependency. Be mindful of your usage, track your daily social media time, and set realistic goals for reduction. It's alright to progress in small increments, but apply a consistent, methodical approach to paring down your screen time. Schedule social media breaks and allocate specific times throughout the day to check your feeds and stick to those windows. If possible, keep your gadgets out of easy reach. During your social media free periods, turn off notifications. Constant alerts are a major trigger for compulsive checking. Turn them off for non-essential apps. Create phone-free zones. Designate areas where phone use is off limits, like the dinner table or the bedroom. Replace social media with other activities. You can read the old-fashioned way. Pick up a paperback novel or get your news from an actual newspaper. Yes, I assure you, newspapers are still around. Rediscover your favorite board game, and if your untended garden beckons, answer its call. For those already struggling with social media dependency, consider seeking professional help. A therapist can provide you with personalized strategies for managing your online habits to improve your overall well-being. Strive for a daily routine that includes time for work, family, and friends, and crucially, for yourself. Explore other worthwhile activities like sports, arts, or volunteering. Be intentional when you utilize digital spaces and technology. Use it in a healthy way that enhances and not hinder your life. If you find this episode helpful, why don't you reconnect with someone who you think might benefit from it too? Meet for coffee and share what you learned. And join me for another episode of Dr. Hanz, MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health.